Good morning, children. Today we will start with lesson number 1 in your science subject. So please open your PDF file or textbook, whatever you are having. Okay? So now, lesson number 1 in your science is food. Where does it come from? So before we start with, tell me what happens at 10 o'clock in your school. What happens? Yes, you have the recess. What do you do in the recess time? Yes, what do you do in the recess time? Yes, you do your lunch or breakfast. Whatever stuff you have as your food, whatever your mother has packed in the tiffin, lovely, delicious and aromatic food do you bring? Yes? Right. Okay. Now, have we ever given a thought? Now, suppose if I ask you, that from where this food is coming, obviously you will tell that my mother has cooked, right? Your mother is cooking and she is filling it in the lunch box. Okay, now if I ask the question, from where does your mother bring, from where she is having, what answer she will give us? That she brings it from the market. Again there is a question, from where it is coming in the market, who is giving? Is there a rainfall of grains? Today there is wheat rainfall. Today there is rice rainfall. Yes? Is all these things happening? No. Fine. So what is all this? From where we are getting? There is a big question mark. From where are we getting all these food stuff? So the same thing we are going to study in this chapter. That whatever food we are taking, from where it is originally coming, right? Okay, now see, what did you eat at home today? Find out, what did your friend eat today? Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food every day, right? Now we know that every day in the lunch, everybody's house, almost in everybody's house, what do we have as lunch? We have chapati, we have rice, we have dal and vegetable curry. This is there in all the house. Every day your mother prepares potato curry. Every day? No. Every day she prepares different kind of food. Right? So, there is a variety of food items. There is a variety of food items in our regular lunch and dinner. Okay, now, so first topic we study is food variety. What is the meaning of variety? Variety means different kinds. When we go to the market, when we go to buy something, we show you. Okay, but different, just show us different varieties. So they show you, the shopkeeper show you the different kinds of whatever stuff we are asking for. Okay, now let us study about the food variety. Now there comes an activity. Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you also get this information from your friends staying in different states of India. And list all the items in your notebook in the table 1.1. As many as friends as possible. Okay? So now suppose if I write the names of 4 friends. Okay, now if I ask my friend A, what lunch did you have? So you will forget lunch. If I just ask about the breakfast, some will tell me I had dosa. Some will tell me I had potato pova. Some will tell me I had puffed rice. What is the meaning of puffed rice? Can anybody tell me what is puffed rice? Anybody? Yes, it's the mambra that we eat. That is called puffed rice. Okay. Someone would tell me I just got chapati and pickle. Right? So, there are 4 friends and all 4 of them brought different breakfast. Right? So, that is the variety of food. Everybody has not brought the same thing. Fine? So, if this is just our friends related. But if we talk about people, even from different states, now everybody knows that in South India, what is the staple food? They eat rice, idli, dosa. They will not have dal and all that on a regular basis. And we, the Gujarati people, will not have idli and dosa on a regular basis, right? So there we find the difference. And this is the food variety that we are having discussion of. Okay, now this side. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made of? Think about the rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water, right? We take raw rice. What is the meaning of raw rice? Anybody? Raw rice means chokha. Have you seen? Okay. So when we are eating rice and dal, we are not getting directly the rice, the cooked and the boiled rice. We bring it from the market as raw rice and then we cook it, and after it is getting boiled, we have it as our food. Okay. So the next topic is ingredients. What is the meaning of ingredients? Ingredients means the materials used to cook any food item. Okay. What is the meaning of ingredients? Ingredients means materials which are used to cook any food items. Now suppose if I tell you lemon sharbat, limbu sharbat, okay? So what are the ingredients? Can anybody tell me? What do you do to make the limbu pani? Yes, anybody? What all things? Yes? Okay, first of all we will take water. Okay, I will take water. Then I will put lemon juice. Was finished? Anything else? Yes. Then I put sugar and then I put salt. Okay, and then I will stir it till the sugar and salt gets dissolved in water. I will stir it, and then finally my lemon juice is ready. The limbu sharbat is ready. So while making the nimbu pani or while making a lemonade, what all things have I used? I have used water, I have used lemon juice, I have used sugar, and I have used salt. When I have used all these four things together, I have made a lemonade. What is the meaning of lemonade? Limbu pani. Okay, so all these four things that I have used to make a lemonade is called ingredients. Fine. So ingredients means when I have to prepare any food item, then the things which are required to make that food item is known as ingredient. Ingredient can be 1, can be 2. Suppose if I want to make rice, then what are the ingredients? Rice, raw rice, water and salt. That's it. If I want to make a brinjal curry, what will I need? I will need oil, I will need all the masalas, I will need the brinjal. If I want to put in potatoes, I will put potatoes. I will need water. Fine. I will stir it. I will put it in the cooker, have 2 or 3 whistles, and my brinjal curry is ready. Delicious. Fine. Okay. So once again I repeat, what is the meaning of ingredients? Ingredients means the materials which are used to cook any food stuff is known as ingredients. Okay. Just 2 materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. I told you, if you want to make a lemonade, you need 4 ingredients. If you want to make boiled rice, you need 2 ingredients. If you want to make a brinjal curry, so many ingredients you will need, right? So ingredients are the materials which may differ from item to item. Okay. Now you can see. So on the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare a vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil and so on. So understood? Okay. Now the next activity is choose some of the items that you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare this. Now you can see on table 1.2. Okay, roti and chapati. Fine. Now on one hand, on one side of the table, you are given the item, and other side you have to write the ingredient. Ingredient means what thing is used to prepare that. Fine. Now suppose roti. So when you have to make a roti, what things are required? So wheat flour, water, oil and salt. When you have to prepare a roti, you cannot make directly roti. What you need? You need a wheat flour, right? Then you put in water, oil and salt and you prepare a dough. And then from that dough, you prepare the rotis. Okay? Then the second is, suppose dal. Okay, suppose if I want to make tuer dal. You don't know what is tuer? Lentils. Fine? Okay, so I will need lentils. I'll need water. I'll need tomatoes. Then I'll need chili. All the spices. Right? And I need oil. Okay, I'll need even jaggery. I'll need lemon. Okay, so with all these things, I will be able to prepare the dal. So this table is, what this table is telling us, it is giving us an idea about ingredients. You have to keep in your mind what is the meaning of ingredients. Ingredients means, I repeat again, the materials which are needed or which are used to prepare any food item. So these are the ingredients, and with the help of these ingredients, I am preparing this food item. Okay, fine? Okay. Now turn the page. What do we find? We find that ingredients are common for different food items. Fine? Okay. Now there are many common ingredients. Suppose salt, right? Salt is common in all the food stuff. However delicious your mother prepares your favorite food. Tell me, what is your favorite food? Anybody guess? Pav bhaji and dosa and aloo paratha and all that. Yes? Oh, my mouth is watering. I'll have to make now today something or the other, right? Okay. So, what is the common ingredient? Salt. Salt is the common ingredient because whatever spices you use in it or whatever delicious or tasty food you make, but if you don't put salt in it, it will become tasteless, right? So salt is the common ingredient. We can say that it is common in all the food stuff. Okay, fine. So in today's lecture we have studied about food, and in the whole chapter we are going to study about from where it is coming. We know that it is coming from the kitchen, from kitchen it is, from where it is coming in the kitchen, from the storeroom, from storeroom it is coming from the market, but from market, how it is coming in the market, one by one, step by step we are going to study in our further classes. So in our today's topic we have studied about the ingredients, right? So you have to keep in mind. Please go through this, just have a quick recap and just revise this video. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class with the next topic, that food materials and sources. Okay children, so please, homework is just read the given page number 1 or 2 where we have started. It is page number 1. Okay, thank you.